Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to fix 3 common issues found on your Siteimprove email report. Okay, let's get started and look at the email report itself. The first thing you want to do is scroll down and click on Login to view live dashboard. And you'll want to use your Fresh Unified email address for here, but I am going to use a test email address. And if you had forgotten your Siteimprove password or have never set it before, then click on the Forget Password link here. Alright, now that you're on the dashboard, scroll down and let's look at one of the most common issues, and that would be broken links. Let's look at the page with the broken links. And here's the broken link. And if your broken link isn't apparent like this, then you can click on Disable CSS to see it. Alright, so on the left hand side, I'm going to scroll down. If you had decided this isn't a broken link after all, then you would click on the decision for this issue and dismiss it and apply. But in this case, I know it's a broken link, so I want to go onto the website and fix it. First thing I'm going to do is go to my website and make sure I'm logged in. If not, then you would go to the login link on the bottom left and log in. Alright, let's go back to your page report. And let me expand this a little bit. And now I will click in the Edit in CMS. And what this button does is it opens up the page with the issue. Here is the issue. You can edit and fix that. Click on the submit and update the page. So that's the first common issue. Let's get back to the dashboard. The second common issue would be misspellings. And here we are. Gonna open up the page with the words to review. And here's the word that Siteimprove thinks is wrong. If it isn't wrong, then you would click on this gear icon next to the decision for this issue and approve the word for the site only or the page only. But in this case, I know it's wrong, so I'm going to expand this a little bit and click on Edit in CMS. So I'm on the page. I'm going to fix that. And I'm going to update the page. So a third common issue is a link without a text alternative. So let me expand this. Go to the page where that exists. It's showing me a blank. I don't know what's going on, so I'm going to click on Show HTML. I can tell that's my Cal Grant image. So let me open this up a little bit and edit in CMS. And here's the image. It's linking to a page, but it doesn't have alt text. And for any image links, you want to have alt text that kind of shows the purpose and the location of the link. So this will give you a link to the Cal Grant info. Alright, so I'm going to update that. Let me go back to the dashboard. Okay, so a few tips. Tip number 1, on other issues not covered, you can always read the description that Siteimprove provides and go from there. Or you can contact me for further assistance. Let's go back. A second tip would be to fix your priority pages first. And those are the most popular pages on your site. You can see the page views. And likewise for the PDFs, fix your most popular PDFs first. And tip number 3 would be, once you've fixed your issues, you can always recheck your pages, and then those errors would go away. And if you've done all the fixes, then click on recrawl website, and this could take a little bit of time, from 15 minutes to an hour or so. It depends on your place in line. There are many sites waiting to be crawled on Siteimprove. Just grab a cup of coffee and check back later. Okay, there you have it. In just a few steps, you can increase your website's Siteimprove scores. And thank you for watching.